How's it going? On this Saturday edition of Roofing Gone Wrong, right behind me here, I'll get into it in a second, but if you have any desire to see things that people have done wrong and what it can lead to so you can learn from it, then consider subscribing and let me know in the comments below if I should create that kind of playlist and shoot little anywhere from 10-20 second segments up to 10-minute videos on if you do something wrong, and particularly what you do, what it can cause. If you have any desire, let me know. So we'll get into that here in just a second if you can't spot the obvious that's done wrong. Also, before I get into that, thank you to all 931 subs. I appreciate y'all. If you're not subscribed and you like this content, consider subscribing. Smash that bell off to the side so you're notified when I throw the videos out for you. And yeah, help me get to my 1,000 goal. And when I do, I'm taking a day off and I'm setting a goal for 10,000. So let's get at it. First off, this is a low slope pitch. Let's look at that real quick. It is a 212 pitch, so extremely low for a shingle, asphalt shingle. You can get away with it if you do it right. Manufacturers will say that if you do it, you need to have ice and water barrier on the deck surface to honor those warranties. If it's a small section you don't give a damn, then don't do it. It's a 6-inch exposure, okay? A pretty big one. Looks to be an Atlas Pinnacle shingle or so. On top of that, they raised every shingle up. Whether they did it to try to buy some room or they just weren't giving a damn. By the way, let me take this out. I like listening to audiobooks while I work, plus it covers my ears. Speaking of audiobooks, a couple good ones. MJ DeMarco, Fastlane, Millionaire Fastlane, and his second book, or another book of his, Scripted. Phenomenal books. I've listened to them about 3 times. Check them out, link in the description. So, exposure's big. They raised them all up. They didn't know what they're doing. The pattern over here was horrible. Look at this drip groove right up here. I mean, look at that. Damn, they just weren't paying attention. Were they drunk? Most roofers are when they roof. Not me, not here at Grand Roofing. It's so bad, it's just falling apart. So where is the vapor barrier? Where's the black paper, the synthetic, the ice and water, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to use? Not there. If they had it, probably would have channeled the water off the roof and not run in. Step flash, let's get to that one. If you're going to use step flash, install it right. I mean, there's a reason they call it step flash. Shingle, step, shingle, step, shingle, step. Not nail the stuff down all the way. It's a low slope, so water can run laterally. That's why this whole wall is wet now. Also, when it's low slope like that, you got nail holes that runs in, you catch a shingle and it will trickle over and get into your surface here. So step flash again, it's a shingle, a step flash here. It's in the right spot, it needs to be here. Then the shingle, then step, shingle, step. Easy to install, simple to do, keeps your roof dry. If you use it right, if you don't, you're looking at what'll happen to it. So we covered step flashes installed wrong. It's a big exposure. They're all raised up. There's no moisture barrier, vapor barrier, whatever you want to call it. It's just bad. So, again, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you have a desire to see those kind of videos, I'll create the playlist and I will start taking little snippets of, damn, that chimney's done wrong. Hey, they missed a piece of flashing or whatever. Let me know. Comment below, and thank you to all my subs. We greatly appreciate it here at Grand Roofing. We do it for you, so do this for me. Until next time, be safe and see you then. Quick update. It is way worse than I thought it was going to be. You've got completely rotted trusses. It's gone. Furthermore, it was never built very good. You don't want to get a huge problem down the road because you didn't take a few seconds to research how to do it. Happy Saturday repair.